Today we are going to take chapter 3. So the first lesson, which is called front-end estimation strategy of addition and subtraction. How to estimate the addition of 32 plus 56. First of all, we put our chair. What's our chair? First we put tens, 3 tens, 2 ones, plus 5 tens and 6 ones. What's meaning of estimation? Estimation means near to. So we are going to near the 32 into 30. So we put 0 in ones and the tens will be stable. So we are going to write 3 in tens and 0 in ones. Plus 5 in tens will return in the same. So we are going to write 5 and 6 in ones will be 0. To be more easy to get the answer. Okay. To estimate the addition of 32 plus 56, we can use the front-end estimation. First, look at the front place of the number, which is tens. Second, we are going to think of 32 as 30 and 56 as 50, as we said before. So mentally adding 30 plus 50 is 80. We make the ones plus and the tens plus, so our answer is 80. So my estimation is 80. Okay, here, how to estimate the subtraction. We took the addition. And how to estimate the subtraction of 84 minus 37. It's the same. So we are going to put 0 in ones and we will write 8 in tens. Minus 3 in tens and 7 will be 0. So we look at the front place of the number, which is tens. Second, we are going to think of 84 will be 80 and 37 will be 30. So mentally subtracting 80 minus 30 is 50. So my estimation is 50. Activity 1. Use the front-end estimation to add or subtract as an example. 64 plus 22. The estimation of 64 will be 60. We down 6 as it is and put 0 in ones instead of 4. And 22 we are going to put 2 in tens and 0 in ones. So the answer in the actual will be 4 plus 2 equals 6 in ones and 6 plus 2 equals 8 in tens. 60 plus 20 will be 0 plus 0 equals 0 and 6 plus 2 equals 8. This is our estimation. Here 76 minus 52, this is the actual. 6 minus 2 equals 4 and 7 minus 5 equals 2. After estimation, 76 will be 70 and 52 will be 50. So our answer will be 0 minus 0 equals 0 and 7 minus 5 equals 2. Okay, here we have rounding strategy to the nearest 10. How to round a number to the nearest 10? To round a two-digit number, we look at the ones place and think about which tens number we are closest to. So like here, 43 is closest to what? To 50 or 40? No, it's closest to 40. Here, 47 is closest to 50 or 40? No, we are nearly to 50, so we are going to write 50. Activity 2, estimate to add and subtract using rounding strategy as the example. 36 plus 24. 36 is rounded up. Rounded up means to go to the up, to 40, not 30. And 24 is rounded down because it's nearby to 20. So 40 plus 20 equals 60. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 4 plus 2 equals 6. So the estimation is 60. In the subtraction, 67 minus 19. 67 is rounded up to 70 because it's near to 70. But 19 is rounded up to 20. So 70 minus 20 equals 50. 0 minus 0 equals 0. 7 minus 2 equals 5. So our estimation is 50. Here, estimation of addition and subtraction of three digits numbers, how to add 120 plus 370 using different strategies. First of all, we are going to use the front end strategy. Look at the front place of the number, which is the hundred place. 120, we think about it as 100. Yes, we are rounded down to 100. 370, we think about it as 300. So we rounded down to 300. So our estimation sum is 100 plus 300. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 0 plus 0 equals 0. And 1 plus 3 equals 400. Second step, the rounding strategy, 120 plus 370. 120 is rounded down to 100 because the number in the tens place is less than 5. If it's less than 5, so we round it down. If the tens is more than 5, so we round it up. 370 is rounded up to 400 because the number in the tens place is more than 5. So the estimation is 500. So the actual sum is 120 plus 370. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 2 plus 7 equals 9. 1 plus 3 equals 4. So rounding strategy is more close to the actual sum. Okay, how to subtract 890 minus 210 using also different strategies. First, our strategy is front end strategy. Look at the front place of the number, which is the hundred place. 890, we think about it as 800 as the previous one. 210, we think about it as 200. So our estimation difference is 0 minus 0 equals 0, 0 minus 0 equals 0, 8 minus 2 equals 6. So our estimation difference is 600. The second strategy, which is called rounding strategy. 890 minus 210. 890 is rounded up to 900. Why? Because the number in the tens place is more than 5, as we said before. 210 is rounded down to 200 because the number in the tens place is less than 5. So the estimated subtract is 700. Actual difference is 890 minus 210. 0 minus 0 equals 0. 9 minus 1 equals 8. 8 minus 2 equals 6. So rounding strategy is more close to the actual sum. Activity 1. Estimate to add or subtract using two different strategies as the example. The front end estimation and rounding estimation. This is our two different strategies. First, we are going to use the front end estimation. 215 plus 582. 200 are going to round it down to 200. Why? Because the tens is less than 5. And 582 will be 500 because 8 is more than 5. So the estimation is 700. Rounding estimation 200 plus 600. Why? Because the tens is more than 5. So we are going to write 600. So the answer is 800. In the subtraction, 652 minus 345. Front end estimation, we are going to round the 652 into 600 and 345 into 300. So our answer is 300. Rounding estimation, we are going to round up 652 to 700 because the tens is 5. And 345, you are going to round it down because the tens is less than 5. So the answer is 400.